Hey, me again. I realised I forgot to put chisels in my last video. So here they are. Here's the one that belonged to my grandfather. There's even some sort of maker's mark just here. And here's a couple of chisels I have obtained myself. These two are actually my chisels. They've even got protectors on the end. I'll just get these back on. And back into the drawer they go. I found so many other chisels and things in here too. Like, I think that's a mortising chisel. And we got a couple of curved sculpting tools and whatnot. So yeah, just a quick add-on to the previous video. Thanks.